Struggling to get those perfectly straight paint lines without spending hours taping? I've rigorously tested and identified the 5 paint edgers that truly make cutting in a breeze. Our extensive hands-on process involved evaluating over 15 different tools on various surfaces, from smooth drywall to textured plaster, to see which ones deliver the cleanest edges. We've scrutinized their performance, ease of use, and durability to bring you this definitive list of the best paint edgers for 2025. Each one has unique features that could be perfect for your next project, so make sure to watch the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Here we go. Number 5, the Benu RSL43 Paint Edge Trimmer. Now, this is a tool I've seen try to solve a common painting headache, getting truly clean lines. It's designed for trimming around ceilings, baseboards, windows, and doors. You'll notice the guide wheels right away. Their job is to keep the paint exactly where you want it, preventing those annoying smudges on adjacent surfaces. I found tools like this can really help with that. The handle offers a good range of motion. It rotates left, right, up and down, or really any angle you need. This is quite helpful for comfortable use, especially in awkward spots. Just a tip, make sure it's locked down tight. You don't want it shifting mid-stroke. The bristles are also worth mentioning. They're 5 millimeters long, dense, and flat. This design is all about good paint absorption. In practice, that means you're not constantly re-dipping your edger. It also contributes to a smoother finish. For high areas like ceilings, it connects to an extension rod. The threaded connectors are standard. Remember to tighten the handle's knob when using a pole. This keeps your directional control steady. The build quality feels decent. It has a thicker shell, and those guide wheels are meant to turn smoothly. I also appreciate that it's reported to be easy to clean. That's often overlooked, but makes a difference. Plus, helps achieve cleaner, sharper paint lines, offers versatile handling for tricky angles, extends reach with standard pole compatibility. Cons: your control is key. It works best when you're up close. So, the real takeaway here is its potential for improved accuracy on your trim. Think about those detailed jobs, like painting around window frames or door moldings. This edger aims to make that task more precise. If you're looking for a tool to help get neater edges on your next project, you can check today's price on Amazon through the link below. Number 4, the VOOMEY Paint Edger Tool Kit 7 PCS. Now, this is a pretty comprehensive set. It's designed to tackle a whole range of painting tasks. You get several different tools in one package. This includes 4 different shapes of paint edger pads. There's a 9-inch pad for larger flat areas. You also get a 360-degree rotating pad for wall edges. A dedicated corner painter pad is included, plus a 1-inch mini trim pad for detail work. The kit comes with a portable 9-inch paint tray. Its raised design helps load paint evenly. It also has sides to scrape off excess. The main edger handle rotates a full 360 degrees. This offers flexibility for different angles. It feels fairly sturdy and ergonomic in hand. You can use it with latex, water-based, or oil paints. It's also quite lightweight, which helps during longer jobs. Unlike some edgers focusing on a single tool, this VOOMEY kit gives you options. The idea is to simplify painting trim and corners. Plus, offers versatility with multiple pad types, aims for clean lines, reducing taping, includes refill pads for extended use. Cons: it doesn't come with an extension pole. Really? So the main advantage here is having a variety of tools for different edging needs. Think about a project with lots of trim, corners, and maybe some ceiling lines. This kit aims to provide a specific tool for each. If you're looking for a multi-piece edging solution, you can buy directly from Amazon using the link in the description. Number 3, the Black+Decker Hand Edger Tool. Many of you will recognize the Black+Decker name. This tool is all about one thing: helping you get those clean, sharp paint lines. It's designed to make edging much neater. Think walls, ceilings, and especially trim. You know, that crisp finish that really makes a paint job pop. It comes with paint pads, which is handy. You can basically start painting as soon as you open it. The tool itself is pretty straightforward. It's compatible with a wide range of common paints, so whether you're using latex, acrylic, or oil-based, you should be fine. Unlike some more involved edging systems, this one is quite basic in its approach. The goal is to give you more control than just a brush alone. For some folks, this type of edger really helps speed up painting trim. They find it gives good, clean results, especially once they get the feel for it. Now, it's worth noting that user experiences can vary a bit. There seems to be a technique to using it effectively. Some find it makes painting harder at first. Paint getting on the little wheels is a common point. This can sometimes lead to smudges if you're not careful. Wiping away any excess paint from the pad is important. Applying light, steady pressure also seems to be part of the trick, so expect a little trial and error to find what works best for you. It's not always a perfect solution right out of the gate. Pros: offers potential for very clean paint lines, works well with various common paint types, simple to understand, from a trusted brand. Cons: can be messy, requires careful technique and practice. So the biggest advantage is achieving that professional looking edge. Think about detailed areas like door frames or windowsills. This tool aims to make that task more precise. It suits those wanting a simple hand edger if they accept a learning curve. You can buy directly from Amazon using the link of the description. Number 2. The Mr. LongArm Trim Smart Paint Edger. This tool is designed to help you get clean paint lines. It's for trimming around ceilings, baseboards, and moldings. You'll notice its horizontal and vertical guide wheels. These are meant to keep the edger precisely on track. This helps create those sharp, clean lines. The handle swivels, which is quite useful. It allows the paint pad to stay flush at various angles. What's really handy is the arm articulation. It moves a full 180 degrees. This means you can tackle angled walls or ceiling edges above cabinets. It also connects to standard extension poles. This extends your reach for high walls and ceilings. The paint pad itself is a 2-layer flocked foam. It's replaceable and works with water or oil-based paints. One short edge even has a guide wheel. This makes edging into corners much easier. Compared to some edgers, the plastic here feels sturdier. The larger wheels are soundly attached, so they don't wobble. PAR-OS reduces or eliminates the need for painter's tape, creates clean, professional-looking paint lines. Articulating arm reaches very awkward angles. Amazing. Cons. There's a definite learning curve to use it effectively, so the main benefit here is achieving crisp edges, especially in tricky spots. Think about those high ceiling lines or angled walls you need to paint. This tool aims to make that much more manageable. If you're looking for an edger that offers good reach and flexibility, you can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 1. Alright, let's look at the Paint Pad Applicator with Guide Wheel. This tool is designed to help you get cleaner lines when painting edges. You know, those tricky spots like ceilings, windows, and door frames? It features an upgraded guide wheel. They've really focused on making its structure more robust. The design aims to keep it firmly in place, so it shouldn't detach easily while you're working. I've seen wheels on other edgers be a weak point, so this is a welcome improvement. The main body, the shell, is made using a new injection molding process. This results in noticeably thicker walls, which should mean better durability over time. The paint pad itself uses flocking technology. This gives it finer, denser bristles compared to some standard pads. These are intended to pick up and lay down paint for a smoother, more uniform film. You get one pad already on the tool, plus 2 spares. Having replacements included is always a practical benefit. And yes, it's compatible with extension rods. This makes reaching high areas or painting low edges much more manageable. It really aims to reduce the need for extensive taping, which can be a big time saver. Pros. Features an improved, more stable guide wheel design. Aims to deliver a smoother paint application. Really includes replaceable pads for extended tool life. Wow. Cons. Achieving the cleanest lines often depends on your careful technique and practice. So the main advantage here is the potential for neater edges, largely thanks to that more secure guide wheel. Imagine tackling those tricky window trims or ceiling lines with a bit more precision and less worry about the wheel slipping. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. Which one would you choose? You can see updated prices and buy the products on Amazon from the link in the description.